everyone. Hi, boys and girls. Can you hear me clearly? Hi, Bella. Hi, Darius, Jerome, Samdi, Clarice, Eldon. Hi, Zoe. Can you all turn on your camera, please? Right, happy to see everyone. Now, if you have watched a video, I showed two videos just now. So, Bella, you're absolutely right that when I showed all the different systems, some systems you will learn in greater detail next year in primary 5, where all the boys and girls, y'all will be like very excited about human reproduction. You talk about how to sperms and egg. All right, let me mark attendance for Siyi. Okay, welcome Siyi. All right, so next year we are exciting year where you learn, what your father contributes one sperm to you, your mother contributes one egg, and one sperm fuses with one egg, and then it gets a baby, and that's you. All right, so one sperm fuses with one egg. Fuses means join together. So one sperm joined together with one egg, it becomes one baby. Jerome, your eyes are wide open. You'll be very interested in the topic, is it? All right, so it'll be a very interesting topic. All right, next year. So that is a reproductive system. All right, so the video showed many, many systems. So the purpose of me showing you all the different systems is for you to know actually in PSLE, you only learn how many systems? Anybody remember? All right, we have, can we help each other name out all the different systems? All right, each person will contribute one system. I have more than enough. All right, first person. All right, muscular system. Okay, Bella contributed muscular system. Can you unmute yourself? All right, try to unmute yourself.
Skeletal system.
Okay, let me increase my volume. I can't hear you clearly. Okay, again, please.
Skeletal system.
Skeletal system. So we have muscular system, skeletal system. Thank you, Eldon. Another system, Clarice wrote in the chat, digestive system. All right. So we have so far two more. Darius type in circulatory system. All right. So four already. We have one more, right? What is one more? Somebody has not mentioned the system that starts with, it's about, yes, Clarice, Zoe, and Bella, good job, respiratory system. So altogether, how many systems? So 5 systems. Actually, that 5 systems, Dr. MCS, actually it has not included reproductive system. All right, reproductive system, if you include, it'll be 6 systems that you're studying in PSLE. But then the video that I showed you, actually, your body has more than 6 systems. All right, your body even has a lymphatic system, okay, or a nervous system. All right, so there are many systems in your body. So we only studied most of them, but not all of them in PSLE. All right, when you go to secondary school, you'll learn more. Okay, so how is everybody this week? Anybody has a test recently? Can you type into the chat what marks you have gotten for science? And then if you have not done well, tell me which topic you need more help in so that I can better, tailor the lesson to help support you better. So tell me your test marks, all right? And then if your test marks is not ideal, all right, or lower than what you expect, can you tell me which topics you need more help in? All right, so most of you haven't gotten back your test yet. All right, no worries. Thank you for sharing with me that you haven't gotten back your test. All right, so again, I'll be asking a lot of questions in the chat. Don't worry about giving me the wrong answer. I only worry about you not giving me any answer. Okay. Right. So none of you has gotten the test. Anybody who has gotten your test mark already? No, not a single one. Okay, no worries. All right, we're gonna start. Now again, we will have, do you prefer to have a Kahoot game in the middle of the lesson, or do you prefer to have a Kahoot game at the end of the lesson? Can you type into the chat middle or at the end? When do you want your Kahoot game? No preference, anything, can just write anything. Okay. All right, so Zoe, Eldon say they prefers in the middle. Okay, Ken, we'll try. All right, well, most of you prefer in the middle. Okay, we'll try. Today, someone will remind me, okay, maybe we finish the MCQ questions. Okay, maybe we'll see. Now is 5:40. So maybe we'll start the Kahoot game at 6:15. Will that be okay? All right, 6:15. Right, okay, let's start. Let me share the PowerPoint slides. Okay, yes, you can see the right slides. All right, so yeah, I will skip this. All right, and this is again the National Day celebration. Please continue to share with your friends. All right, so that you get 25% off. Your friend also gets 25% off. Okay, let's start. All right, Jane is playing badminton with her friends. Which organ systems are involved? Okay, so hang on. Let me open up the Excel file that let me check. How come it's Okay, let me open it this way. Right. Two of you, actually, no, three of you got this right, and three of you got this wrong. Okay. So those who gotten it wrong, you actually choose A and B, skeletal and muscular. Okay. Now, okay. Now, skeletal is about the bones, right? So you need the bones to hold to support your body. All right, so bones support your body to make it straight. Otherwise, we all will be like lying on the bed already. All right, so support the body. Okay, so skeletal start with S. So support also start with S. Okay. Then muscular system is all about muscles. So you all need muscles to move, right? It's for movement. All right, so it's to move. Do you see there's a letter M and a letter M here? Okay. So most of you think that you only need skeletal system and muscular system. However, you need more than that. Let me ask you, in order to move, right, what do you need to move? Let's start with E. Who can tell me what is this word? Everybody type in the chat, what is this word? What do you need to move? Well done, Bella. The rest, the E word. To do anything, you need what? Sometimes you feel very tired, right? Yes, good job, Clarice. Darius, we don't need exoskeleton. Only insects need an exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is the hard outer covering of insects. All right, so Darius, insects have exoskeleton. Okay, and by the way, your exoskeleton spelled wrongly is exo and then skeleton. Okay, but anyway, you don't need to learn the spelling. You can just write outer body covering. Okay, so far only two of you could give me the E word. So you know when, let's say I ask you not to sleep, and then tomorrow you're gonna wake up early. Okay, I'll let you sleep 1 hour. And then tomorrow I ask you wake up early. You will feel very tired, right? Because you will feel that your body does not have enough what? Your body does not have enough energy. Good, Darius. All right, your body needs energy for everything, like even breathing, you need energy. All right now, to breathe in and to breathe out, we need energy. You know, let's say a patient who is really very seriously ill in the hospital, someone who is seriously ill in the hospital, that person will struggle to even to breathe in and breathe out. All right. So because you are very weak, you don't have enough food. All right. As in you are not able to take in food very well. You don't have a good appetite. So you don't have enough energy to even breathe in and breathe out. You feel very weak. Okay? So we need energy. All right. So let me write here. We need energy to move. And what is going to give us energy? Who can tell me what is the R word? All right. Gives us energy. Okay, go try Darius, but it's not that word. It's the opposite of photosynthesis. It's the opposite of photosynthesis. So what word is that? Darius, no. Reproduction is about making babies, having the next generation. All right. So it's not respiratory, it's not reproduction. It is rest what? Respiration. It comes from the word respiratory system. All right. So we need respiration to give us energy. All right. So all living things, let me write here. Okay. So all living things, including plants, including animals, everything, including bacteria, all living things carry out respiration. Right? Respiration. To release energy from the food. All right, so the purpose of respiration is to get energy from your food that you eat. All right, that we eat. That's why you need to eat food, then your digestive system needs to digest the food. So all living things will carry out 24 hours respiration. Every seconds of the day, your body is carrying out respiration. Right now, as we are talking, your body is undergoing respiration. Okay, so we definitely need respiratory system. Respiratory system, actually this word comes from respiration. All right, so respiratory system is to take in. Can everyone tell me take in what? What are y'all taking in right now through your nose? What is going through your nose right now? Everyone type into the chat. Okay, some of you gotten the right thing. Some of you wrote oxygen. Some of you wrote air. Actually, your nose doesn't only take in oxygen. Your nose taking everything. Your nose taking air. All right, so your nose taking air. Inside air got oxygen, got nitrogen, got carbon dioxide. All right, so there are many things inside air. So your nose is taking in air. And then your body, your nose will also breathe out air. So take in air, breathe out air. All right, of course, inside air, there are many gases. And one of it, what we want is oxygen. All right, and when we give out air, it's also many gases. But what we are trying to give out is carbon dioxide. Our body does not need carbon dioxide. Okay, so we need oxygen for respiration. All right, so if you're wondering what is respiration, respiration means the digested food. After your food digested, it will react with oxygen in that you are breathing in. Okay, after you eat your food, after the food is digested, it will combine with the oxygen that you are breathing in. Then it will give carbon dioxide gas that your body will breathe out, and plus water vapor. All right, that's how you are breathing out water vapor also, plus lots of energy. So that is respiration. Okay, so that is respiration. So today I taught you something new that you will be learning in Set 5, but we learned it earlier a little bit. So this word called respiration, it sounds like respiratory system. All right, so why it comes from a respiratory system? Oxygen. Oxygen gas is taken in, all right, through the respiratory system. Without the respiratory system, oxygen gas cannot enter our body. Okay, then of course we also need digestive system to help us digest the food. All right, so digested food will react or combine with the oxygen gas that you're breathing in. It will produce carbon dioxide gas that our body needs to breathe out. It will produce water vapor gas that our body needs to breathe out. Water vapor is a gas, and it provide energy. We need this energy to walk around. We need energy to breathe. We need energy to eat. We need energy for everything that you're doing right now. You need energy to study. Okay, so because you need oxygen gas, you need to breathe it in, respiratory system. Okay, then after that, circulatory system is also important. You need to circulate the food around, right? Okay, so you need to circulate the nutrients around. Okay, so circulatory system, all right, is to transport. Okay, is to transport oxygen that your body needs. So transport oxygen and other things, all right, in the blood. Okay, so I just write oxygen first. Of course, it transports a lot of other things. So, but we are talking about oxygen here. All right, so highlighter, yellow. All right, so after your respiratory system breathe in the oxygen gas into your nose, all right, actually you breathe in air, but air got many gases. So one of the gases in air is oxygen. All right, there's also nitrogen gas. So when you breathe in air, oxygen will get transported in the blood by the circulatory system. Circulatory means circulate, go around, circulate the oxygen around the body. All right, circulatory means going around. It's like a circle. All right, so you need oxygen to go around your body so that all your body cells, you also need to transport digested food around the body so that these two, digested food and oxygen, can combine together to give you energy. Then we need energy to move. You need energy to move the badminton racket. All right, so you will need all four systems. All right, you need all four systems. So boys and girls, for such question, let Miss Ivy give you a tip. Your answer will be all